Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to create a signature in Gmail. To create a signature in Gmail, what you need to do is go up to the settings cog in your Gmail account. Go ahead and select the settings cog, and then a quick settings menu is going to appear. Under the quick settings menu, select the see all settings option, which is going to bring you to the main settings menu. Make sure you're under the general tab in the main settings menu, and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to signature. Under signature, you're going to want to create a new signature. I'm going to name this signature just quick. And then in this bigger box is what my signature is going to be. I'm going to put my name, which is quick in this case. And then I'm also going to put in quik.video, which I'm going to hyperlink. That way, if you click it, you're going to go to quik.video, which if you were to put that into a URL, it would redirect you to my YouTube page, which I think is pretty cool. So I wanted to show there. And let's say I'm also going to put in my phone number, 55555, right? Who knows? I'm putting your phone number, whatever you want. It's my basic main signature that I want. But I'm also going to create a more basic signature that's just my name. In this case, I'm going to call it quik2. And I'm only going to put in my name, just quick in this case. And I'm going to show you why I created two different signatures. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on these signatures and we're going to apply them depending on the type of email we are sending. So for new emails that I am creating and sending out, I want to put in my main quick signature, which is this one right here. So when I send an email, this is going to be the signature that is applied to it. But when I reply to emails or I forward an email off, I don't need that much information. People sent the email to me, they know who I am, so I don't need to be as descriptive in my signature. You can use both signatures if you want, but if you want to have a more basic signature on responses, you can do that. Let's go over to on reply -forward, use this signature. So I want to use the quik.to signature, which is the more basic one. That's just my name, quick. And then if you wanted to, you can also select this box here, which is going to insert the signature before quoted text if you wanted to. I'm going to leave that off for now, but I do have two different signatures that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom again, and I'm going to hit save changes, because if I don't hit save changes, you can see right here, I just opened up a new message. My signature is not there. If I save the changes, going to bring me back to my main menu. And then if I do hit compose, now you can see that the signature has been applied. And if I wanted to hyperlink, I could. I go click my hyperlink. It's going to bring you to my YouTube page. So that is how you create a signature in Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.